I'm making a Christmas house using only cardboard. To add the finishing touches, cut thin cardboard strips and cover the areas that need improvement. Stay until the end, because I added a special detail to this house. Don't glue the roof to the house, this way you can put small lights inside. Would you make one of these? Comment a Christmas tree below. Thanks for watching.